Alrighty. I need to go get the, hold on. Alright, we're going to take the rocker arms. They're set. This is a kind of quick tutorial on how to take all this off. And make sure the piston's top dead center real quick. Yes, she's top dead center. Alrighty. Do you want to show top dead center? Over here. With the T. And that's, alright, you can end it. Take off the rocker arms. EX is at the bottom. Take off your timing chain. You're gonna want to loosen this up. Keep those things. End it. Take this one off. It's your bore. She's smooth. And then our piston. I'm gonna have to tap it. Some, but I need mine. You wanna get her in there, like so. Then you wanna I can get her in there. Hold on, you can do it. So there we go. And now we got her back in there. Oh yeah, look at that. That thing turns so smooth. No, it was so seized up when we first had it.